I am starting and investing in the vending machine business today, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Aspen's Journey. As you can tell by the title or probably by the thumbnail, you already know what this video is going to be about. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This video is next level, y'all. I am so excited for this video. I know if y'all have been subscribed for a long time, y'all are uber excited. I am officially launching and registering my business today, guys. I will get into the details a little later in the video, but just know I am starting and investing in the vending machine business, and I'm about to take you guys along with me for the ride so you guys can see every single step of the way, guys. There is a step-by-step guide where I lay out all 10 steps to get started, but guess what, guys? You guys are getting that free of charge. We'll be doing at least 4 to 5 of those steps in today's video, but that is enough of me talking. Let's get to what you guys came to see. Let's go. Headed to the courthouse for the very first step, which is to renew my DBA or my fictitious business name statement. All done, papers filed. I have to, of course, I don't know if y'all can see that, file it in the newspaper for it to be valid. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we are following up on starting the vending machine business. It's going to be a very busy and productive day today. We are going to go open the bank account. I have an appointment at 3 p.m. today. Right now it's 10:30 a.m. and I am about to go hit the ground running to get some leads, scouting locations, guys. We made it to the bank. I have a 3 o'clock appointment to open the business account and it's actually like 3:10. So I'm running late. I'm just grabbing my stuff. We are about to run inside. I'll see y'all when I get in there. I'm going to try to film some while I'm inside also. Talk to y'all later. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did enjoy it and you guys got anything out of it, whether information, motivation, inspiration, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up, share it to your friends or family, any other business like-minded people. Those of you that want to help the channel, since I am not monetized yet, guys, information for you to donate to the channel will be linked down below. And another way to support the channel is supporting the website AspenATM&Co. Make sure to check that out if you're interested in starting your own ATM business. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.